fiasia ebia omo betumi apply say yan converting custodial sentence no to non-custodial sentence there. Ebi wo mu say there na betumi ayo but me mo de na mapɛ copy of the law no na me hwem wie na fra na ebetumi di san komo no.
All right, and you know where you meja wa ha you trying say o mampanyi de nsa be hyase na ba be danimra danimra we will both study the bill so we can have an interaction on what the content is. Why?
Yo, me da seminia.
Nyamin sure pass o ma ho kwan ma me na wodi nkomo na wie live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Lawyer Thomas Shan or a legal practitioner or emrenimni and on who say menen wote say menen no AD enkomo. Mo amhwe on Facebook so mo hu say ye no AD enkomo. And of course yes, I can side with government for taking these bold initiatives. Wamwetimi apa omaboa ama Ghana mrashebedwa apa se eye bill we. Ya twenza mampanyin de nsa be hyase na baba ye mra. Se de be ya obi ko wi akoko bi, obi ko wi pencil bi. Se nipa kono ye mfa no nkonko gina asendi bi ni nasam ma no enkonko daje. Prisons ko homuma amam for dos wo ye papa what dia wo mo aye bone disabri ye baba modern akọ aye prison or obi a wakọ hoda an ex convict na ewie so na ye dey din komo na on so ya gina adwenkyere on this community service bill ya pass menu Kofi Cheche na pacho ho tesɛn Kofi Cheche na ho tesɛn
Good.
Yeah, Baba for God and country on SOMPA 106.5 FM. And Parliament, I might to say, one more passe the community service bill. Now, said the ya and from Sony be or Honani Paya, and a Bonnie be or Honani Panidia. Sa Bonino, and say, Yabeman Nipana Aqua Fiase. I will mean commodium with my producer. Omamitias, yes, say. Wakwa koda fiase da na ewa fiase no enkomo ben na ya ekoso ho because me GDP samko a mudi mo ankasa mo ho nkomo ni bone a e de nipa ko no ababe wie fiase sen na nkomo ne tie tramfo ni nkire yen
papa de time da atiefo ni na na me share di bianso wo me yanso no the GDP obi akwa peti edeba nchi anase obi go do da ho akwa wadi na tani pare be twem wa fiatia obi for mo be di na ye kom na dem oni means dia o be so be ye di omo tabre na sabro ne be timi ade na ko
yeah
tani pani ade na ko tun 1 year ne na ko tun 2 na ya wo ti the kind of advantage to be going to say. He did not come on a crowded. And see, I found I'm not prison so active. Now, I found the sound squad. A car I buy a one with prison a better form.
Sure.
A better form.
Okay. Now, say, Elder, walk with Fiasida. Amanfo bone a wo mo enam so a nti onko pie prison mo ho no ebi wo ho a wo hwa na bone ni nche na anye bone bia ho
eya no kure eyo mana eyo bone bia a ta ni ta ni ma punishment ka pe ka a che se mo bebo after se ba do we think the time e wo prison 2 years 5 years 10 years that was standing me did minimum beboa because obi on ma boni o waye no mfom so bi na akra bi na ide na kwakọ
prison hono eya na e hot sen mundamu mudidie mu no sen na tie
papa emu oya pa benemu eya ya kimu eya obi tumi twere ban ho sa na abia
really
okotovo obetwe ban na dia chi obi betumi ada na nsani fa system obeda na nsani fa so na dia chi enti aya na adidi no so no kan say don so minti ama abandon is so. It is maybe we finish here 80% a day. If you imagine 80% and not from we didn't say anamon papa na.
Anamon papa na abang but obi o wa e bia na nipa no wa o ya so den nipa no e bia makwa ko wie obi banche ya ma community service ofi community service ne ba ya wasa ko wie banche say nipa no e do say twa so ko prison no
papa and na yet to the woman na akama victim na nipa no ko tu ne banche ana okofa e dia na phone ebe feel say we nya justice obe feel say nya justice but it's just say punishment in the boa maybe kokko the dog be ko yi gatelu and ye o man benya is na so emfaso rather than say we for them na what ya ko ba ban
na ade we no na nkenya wo na also maybe some question we but still I'll ask you this question Emma Boni enkosoro awo man Ghana
papa me it's not that he's gonna say a sentence of 5 years.
Yes,
so we got 2.5 years 2.5 na kana so they have a hard labor oh they have a hard labor it not labor no to the upper town to be got to me brother the door a pan enti nipa na wire sa function e dey na dabe gina e pan ondo anaso onyi got to me it is na e pe but the only thing is only record say dia wa ex-convict
ye nyina ye tie sompa
okay gina please na ye na bia na onso
be ye na me GDP say ye ma community service and wonderful adwuma no be sorry pa because so unya G community service there was say wonderful no ehwe so ma wotimi ye wadwuma yo Elder Dixon Kofi Tete ye better was in wi why but as nyabotre answer na wo be kokra no me pesa ufa sa kwanya we so na wo di tumba bunu no fo because wo na wako ho no wako hu de na e wo ho tuamofo
papa say mabu no mu tie me ni bia wo it's a young type of freedom expensive say you can say ya o be hu say story bi na ye so what na me and do one for fina ukopim wo had I know it's always a class it's never stress e mabu no common to o mo boasa na obi ade da wa me nkofa so who free to come so who free at the travel let's stress yeah cover ba na yemi seven me why me town for crampo no me kan for prison
wow
e obi afọ me na to for say ka me sentence no because all ko fa ya wo me ya ta ko ki die freedom expensive
but emabunu ni timamfo bate was it freedom very very expensive na prison ho no enye fedi agro dia wo aso no asempana ba ontie asempana bo every Elder Dixon Kofi Tete or ex-convict or the asempana brain dia wo aso no ontie all that day we you better was but say wa ma ho kwa ma ye no wedding ko nyame nhira wai yo Elder Dixon Kofi Tete na ate semene ne din komo no ex-convict da watu mabunufu ye be sremo wose munya hwaye twe fi bone ho na prison ho no kwa a day aban bo ho ka 1 cedi 80 pesos 1 cedi 80 pesos no Mami bisa wo. Se wo koto koko anopa kra 1 cedi 80 pesos na beso. Koto koko 1 cedi 80 pesos na beso. Se gran ha ubenum koko ati depa. Aje wo kra be 15 cedis. Because obeto koko 5 cedis. Obeto your friend say that koko 5 cedis. Uwi a waji nkache miedu de egum. Uwi a waji kose miensa. Waji pan obe 4 cedis. Ah la wallahi. Now the pan no we the kose that she pan on finfin. And then now we say wo di koko. The abakan aje 15 cedis. Now be prison. Now the whole day. You the 1 cedi 80 pesos. And never try with there. Masa to hofo. Ebusia for SOMPA 106.5 FM. Minimum ka say abutrika. Wanam kwanso a oko USA abrochire memu. Ghana mbebu no ye tumufu. Muntie. Me president tem. Me biedum ko wiara no. Enkomo bi de chire. Aya abutrika nua ekuma ekasae. Mama yentie na.
Una odi abutrika echi na sa abutrika na di wechi.
Me bacho me na me di nechi.
Una odi nechi.
Me bacho ane.
Una odi abutrika.
Me bacho ane.
Utunu abutrika yi.
Minim ni ye minua.
Ebi no kika sa abutrika e sikadro. Ebi mo so se eye fraud. Se eye wonu ya no de na betumi aka fa wonu.
Me bacho abutrika enye sikadro na waje ena enye fraud. Me bacho abutrika ye obi a oye kadela. Obi a ya we sa abutrika ye kadela. Na ni ti akoba ni nyina se nkofu bebe na use fake account. I was TikTok, WhatsApp, any other day. But abutrika only TikTok account, only WhatsApp, even though I do use to pay Snapchat. Snapchat pay and abutrika then so easy. It's the amount of use needing here then. It's kind of amount of or fraud. It's abutrika so point of fraud that on obi ni say or cardla. I just say. It's yemu ye kosu na simple entiase abro ya adwen nta. Yemu ye entiase. Say dey nti na what this house money then. Ebo yenu na obra onye say edwuma no.
Snapchat.
All right, gentlemen, anyone can say abutrika. So ye fraud o, say on ye fraud o. Oko USA abrochire. When the US was ya basremo. Some mama for ye nipa baako a. Keno for that as you here no Ghana. Some mama for ye nipa baako abutrika. E de kwa. Yesu keno for yata. Muhugana abai mobo. Because once you have served this country, you have to be accountable. Once you have served the country, you have to be accountable. And you kind of reate. Na ankamena me kero furiata ankasa. Ankasa me amiri me ho beba. Victor Salome, Kwame Peprabo. That's almost 7 sentences no. Hey, no one sumo man Ghana. In the capacity as the finance minister for good 7 years. Finance minister for good 7 years. Now you say, bra, niema bi atochew, omususu say niema bi atochew. Bra ni ntoto wano a. O se ka, wa go ka US. Na to de bi Ghana fo bi wo ho a, eya na me di omhu ya opi. Keno for ata issue bai. Ebimu wo Ghana ha wo mo hye amanyoku atade a wo mo si de bi onka ho ma ne ma onya ne permanent stay e wo US na Ghana fo bi mu celebrate mo be bi abanyo samdi akwakodu say we civil servant o say we public servant o say we politician amanyoni o in what capacity? Once it affects the taxpayers' money, you have to be accountable. You have to answer questions. When there are doubts. Abusuya, SOMPA 106.5 FM sini for God and country. Megire pesen komo ayedi wo ha nyina no. Sabre uswa e krado so obeche wadwen wo ho. Ebre no do a me activate me lines no. Your numbers no to 0260 196064 0260 196065 so you can be a part of the conversation from Azali 5 p.m. going right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. But I like to say that we have sponsors who are partnering us to bring you this program, talking about Dr. Duboatin's Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Was it the end to chronic diseases? RSYD Novigi Studios. Open your pictures, quality pictures. So, also, senior, and always in the training, and also, music video. Yeah, me patrol RSYD Novigi Studios. They have all kinds of locations, and they have a creative director over there. SOMPA FM. Where, and the numbers to read them on, and also 21st Clinic, the sciatica commander, or don't go and etimitia a sciatica yadiano. You should know that. So we yadi sciatica if this is your first time of listening to this program, remember sciatica yadia so usisi nenam tumponum na be pie usirem na pie onase kobana sa na akwakwa ye say stroke yade na ye me ba to nye stroke yade so usire no ye oja pia sciatica yade age 21st Clinic ehifa na ehifa na obehu omo. Continue to be on the show live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Ye from me Kobla ABOTCHIE aka PROF na ye be call na akwakoto emunkra na ye to munkra wie ne ye ba Ali Mohammed. He speaks for the NDC. Ali Ibrahim, I beg your pardon. He speaks for the NDC. He's a member of the National Communication Team. He's rightly seated over here. And then we are waiting for our good brother, Prince Ofusu Sefa. He's also going to be joining us later on the show live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. But it's going to be after the break that I just talked about. So stay right here. Don't you go anywhere. This is For God and Country. Our SOMPA 106.5 FM. But before that, SARFO, now let me say, producer Jerry Bakope, international producer, or say a break abasisia.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. Our SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano eweye brim. Enam nensaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you SOMPA First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the spirits of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service entra wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia fa woda ni na share radensa na erade beye
Hatia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wede na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi a cha nani a Hatia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abonti na aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Hagia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra Hagia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hagia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972215 05947972215 for not with them
21st Clinic sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu Woje ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma gye no Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu gye international awards ahodo, wo mu gye local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gye 21st clinic nko a. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gye din wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso wo de kwa diabetes ne happy cry eba. Ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Uframa saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. That's a 21st clinic. Still, wo mo ye sciatica expert. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, you're hot. Just bread and pastries is sick. Just hot kinky. Dokuno noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more to dokuno montin so. And no more to etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Protein opposite the kaho. Nia yama kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion, and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say Obienim say just hot kinky and noa and ye disable ya wo just bakery e wo dome commercial bank in Chenwa anti fraying and wo 025 60688832 na yen customize wo orders ne ma ne fa sebo wo se de wo se pen pepepe just hot kinky eh hot.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ne nyina share radensa na erade beye.
And of course, sorry, I'm not part of that engine. I say, Radin Sananya, Radi Bayamo. Watching your time very closely at 4 p.m. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country today. Bedemukase Ali Ibrahim Atanasi speaks for the NDC. Watanasi Nevi. But Watanasi, Muma Yenkonenkoti, a year Attorney General, also a Kansembi.
Some of them have expressed the view that this is an attempt to bring back the tribunals, make it a case of a job for the boys, appoint members affiliated to the current government, that is panel members and chairmen, affiliated to the current government, and then have the members of the opposite party. Some of them have expressed the view tribunals, and then facing kangaroo justice. I want to assure them that this is a tribunal that is party neutral, all right? That will be, the tribunals, when they are established, will not be targeting any particular political party. They will dispense justice in accordance with law, and they will be fair, and transparent in the dispensation of justice. So that is something that I want to assure every Ghanaian.
All right. Community tribunals, and now they are to and then you can tie that to the community service sentencing Belia or my passe or Ghana Mrashi Bidra. Yamia dom Yaman Pinid in the Sasha Sier, na Ababe Emra.
All right, me da sebebre for the opportunity. Yedi kai mamenchia atiefo ni ahwefo a wo mo atie o magebre atie hwe ene ewie mame so enchia the current controller and accountant general eyira Mr. Akwasi Eji ABOTCHIE obekaya on sa appointment on the 15th of April 2024. Omanpenin dada Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo and a man of sa to me no. No kwasem ye ba be mu no ye mo bi the pressure to John Mahama so senke be yanka wonyi ni sinchen na Uncle Fo bia or also somehow party person no occupy the position. But to be very honest with you, if he say what buy as controller and accountant general, in fact was surprising you move baby enya sem kitwa ne modern bo eso ni pa enontino enya nwanwa say President John Dramani Mahama that's what Jano say well engine
juma
yes or your boy juma papa abochi what buy ye could you imagine say about ghost names are na 30 Ghana member while reducing drastically because of a series of head counter what are ye and I see almost over close to 60,000 ghost names and what me clear sir sikenya nkebeko bibo kwabrade bibo tomo what me aboa so what I say digitalization what the public some of the public service institution staff in ama I them pass some of these ghost names what digitalization yeah oh you so he's taking advantage of the
Dr. Baumia digitalization
oh say Dr. Baumia digitalization the mayanko ho na digitalization the chance na Dr. Baumia the ebetwaso what you say and so all you soon with the Ghana card na boa papa ti be bona baso and ewie me pese me manati ase say de wo ye no ya ne edge ho na ye pese o to aso saa eye ne saa ma yen said ye be ya in line with the reset agenda. And so some of us will continue to support and then endorse activities in Nyankopon Shano say wadwene Ghana ho no ye de ese na efata ntie ewie mechiare bebre.
All right, adase.
Now back to the issue. I mean it's long overdue. Where Charles here can one sem I mean way back near Bobo who say some sentences be ohayana ehun hia se de npa kro be to ifiase I could imagine so be etimi eko we abanchi ba ko pena yatimi amano jail several years 3 years 4 years so onkonko dem what you say to call the various prisons adame call in some prison kosra will be misuing seriously they are pack prison what they say the only way I want to me feel kakra we during the day I be you but say bob be 5 and your side way omoko demwa na nkrofo yem because obi o hot me gina ho saa ma de chen wo beti me de ho ban dan e ma de chen just say there's no space and so very good say parliament atimia passy samray said ye be ya some of these minor offenses no enkoye say ye dipa no ya na adna ko to prison beside prison so no is easy abai no already just said nyoma mo enshada say kasama a problem na obi akọ this aboni kitwe no akọ to efiase be 3-4 years
amanjofo mu
taxpayers money
amanjofo mu dikese ne die
I was amanjofo mu ye dey
mu dikese ne die
omo dey just say ya ja omo believe them
u ka ho bio
na sabe me wi esika me nye MPP ne sabi
ya bi na say ana MPP
me nye MPP ni omo ya di am esika say ni momo
but one thing that
yes
baffles me a lot and I say oni obi o yonko teacher ni wakwa di abanyo asamwachi when your political appointment just 4 years ni pane wie ni service na we see ni fie watoka wa set up business ni ebisa say politicians no market you na gra a year saying 4 years es gracia no wasaje o minus the taxpayers money na yes ade amasa nipa kono eya rehosem
but see politics will be a person koye politics no. Because politics no wo remwa Ghana say dey say politics no. E kamia koye say nipa kro do nya position na say all of a sudden what me ebe ye nya sikatama. We don't question the source of nipa kro no sikana wo nya ye no. Okwa abroche ntisa o. Abroche Canada, for example, a different, altogether.
But Kobibini.
Obia and Chake, what I say? Obia and Chake, because you 3 good years. Over on your appointment, you'll be free a bemono. Now, if you would do our peja to see what a mukas, that is a Nabusia, I mean, my year say time, in just 3 years.
3 years, 4
now,
years.
Teacher near Sabi. One of you the same are you?
Watch your idea for 30 years. Minim teacher ni bia watch your idea for 30 years. All coffee no. Ni sika net ni tua me kakra no. And do 50,000.
Look at this.
Charge for 30 years.
Look at this.
35 years.
50,000 a politician bet me the 1 week pay na 1 day pay nya. Crown double fools. So what you say? So it's about time say you see a teacher of my Ghana. It was say you hear some of these things. Today say we compare appointment I declare reference say what asset. Declare your asset near hunu say wo ba no sika sei ena na e wo account mu ajapade sei ena na wo na wo free abem mu a na wo ko ye extravagant lifestyle ni atimi akwashen. Mama typical example, what the nyaman yourself and a mayo. Obiti say Keno Furiata. For example, Keno Furiata, said, now a finance minister. Finance minister, not near Ketria, a public knowledge. Young father said, the entire 8 years, the crown obey a finance minister.
That's a Keno Furiata. My memory should serve me right. Or not, no, jacket, you. One jacket, you are
okay. So on jacket. Oh, okay. See, as the guy, if I know Koya or call Juma Ben or and as a prophet, Ben or one case, what's me a lawyer for Kessia, I say, lawyer back on Pody, not Donald Trump lawyer.
That's it. That's a kind of Riata. No one is
no one is one. It's not a fata. Not in my mofono, echo so bre, Emma come every or more. Net what was so, Regine Chem, at what was about pim. A bedroom maybe, when I home are pricing no. Because I had too much. Ya can't be then the citizen will later take the law into their own hands. To much as Emrano Enye Juma. Nippon before so an appointment, no one declare an asset. Semi bay, me cast ye 2. If you are Messi a 3, and me wajapadie way, declare them as a public official. So what I say, also can we say your friend say Ken Oforiata what declare an asset. I have no record of that. So what I say, Emrano or Honso your friend Nejuma. Why should that happen? And so I rehearse dear to teachers. Now teacher near Wakatria Sebi, EBG as low as 2,200 Ghana cedis. Diploma teacher 2,500 a degree. What year na 4,000 200 Ghana cedis. Or mabe 4. Suku omo koyemfa say every term kra akola ba ko bia 600 Ghana cedis. And now oba ko square. One year na 30 Ghana cedis a day. Obefa car put there 50 Ghana cedis. Calculate all this and put them together. Family members, Rebecca say, oh, many pay university. I mean, what there and then Bosome near Fred Fro. I don't know how they even survive. I don't know how nurses also, survive.
And they are processed for.
One more day they survival. Because I can train a fear bill. Now Bosome swan pressure that's or no. Me teacher maybe. I mean, nurse maybe. Young girl. Or you're the breadwinner of the family. Nakatria as a nurse, and 3,000 Ghana cedis a month. And so then you are mieno our mofie eco suku. One will hear more, one will cheer almost school fees. The Omame Bedi, one will provide because of Papano Afrim. On one so the hen home or trail water bill, light bill. I mean, you're not Yankopon Bemo and answer saying. You're not Yankopon Ebem. And so saying for crime, Besoni and Timima public service. Obia Bayajuma, sebi na Ghana for bre.
The argument has always been from government side. There's a wage bill, already know you're very, very saturated.
Well, they have a point there. They have a point. You see, one thing they say, Ekamiako said these days, we'll be sorry, we'll pursue a university. Or pursue acquire political science, or pursue acquire, economics, or pursue acquire humanity courses. But these courses, we are a bit very difficult. So, bet me a creative our juma. I was so depending on bimboom for juma. And mostly, yana a bino and the Timmy Fast Uncle for your juma. Imagine, maybe a political science for KNUST. At the time, class bako. Second year, near 1,000 plus in the same class. 1,000 plus,
political science.
Political science, KNUST. Teacher no chadia. Ubejna chile no wahweno. Tin. What the speakers na kasa. Na bisa ho say this batch be ama another batch so then aba. Every year be also over 1,000 of them graduate. They all go to the job market to search for jobs. Where are the jobs?
But only say sometimes maybe how can see another say if governments make the argument the wage bill is already saturated. I say Ghana yakon masika yenyano ye de dudu na de tue adwuma foka na me concern and say adentina ya classify ebimu say article 71 office holders ebimu any that category and we check here the salaries and emoluments of article 71 office holder nipa ba kwa ketua no ebetime tua ocheche ni be ye 50 ka
okre enunta na ma aye the pa say aban be fan crofo adwuma no because of the article 71 office holder because kane no na ntesa I don't have the fact here but abra na enyansha ase no na issues about employment and certain
but don't you think sir it's about time yenina no who belong to a single structure we are manyo new we are then new that kind of article 71 office holders omo friend is omo end of service benefits no omo pension no a pension so what I say
yes
omo pension no yeah pension SNID pension no ensure that your pension mimi who is a pension we go cost card be ma no kuma bi fie bi I don't know empanyfo no omo nyi omo hu mfi article 71 na ye nyina say a single spine salary structure and omo di tua ka ye nyina na omo ahwe so de tua ka so that there will be fairness in the country. You don't think that there's no fairness?
I agree with you totally, honestly, because na me suma bimu, me suma the Ghanaian ordinary workers. Na me sumu omo pa. And kebeye sa ebetimi aye ne sa mana ye year, and kamedia I'll support it wholeheartedly. I'll support it wholeheartedly. Sa yentimi entete so. Sebe ya ebetwi entwem article 71 of his holders. Because more ye juma no ankasa the public servants.
Sure.
More na ye juma no. Politicians na dey. I mean, what do they do? What you say? But
4 years, 8 years.
So na be parliament. Akoye de asisamra no. On sisamra na enti ono omo onye. Tie be so akasa at the end of the day no. Enya de a ye be ye bibia ye de afa ho. Enti no ene teacher ni ubehu no. Na teacher ni o anase nurse ni apart from say we nurse ni no san atwi over eka ho na wasan ye boja na yiri e ni fie enim eka ho no san eye nyoma nkete because no kasa wo depend on your salary alone enya de a ebeye juma but arehosem say how to be able to even mobilize to get the capital for other side business your crampo no na enyasem ketwa jana very difficult tiana miso pa ma Ghana jumayefo
sa
na menu na mo CEO kana katia chewa masa akana katia chewa
oh praise the President say
Chief enya bad.
Bibia enya bad no.
Me mark him near my bear for okay. I just say me who some more okay.
Never been for Ben okay.
First or senior or insinuating. Say Kenoforiata. Kenoforiata. What brand son or bear finance?
Now some catch no.
When meeting prof. So you know you know data. I know you. But you see a Juma omoye NDC a Juma omoye no sombe tufi.
Efi
tufi go MPP who sa say all kasano.
Go MPP who fi.
A Juma omudiano.
Sa
all kasano.
And momo ye ne.
But what me ya me responding na me rain free bi.
Me that's it.
Ayi ba kwa or kan so no say I'm so can bibi and all think kan enko MPP ni. You know, something about corruption and all that. MPP for corruption, no. Look at you. The 15 people are convicted in the Fourth Republic. Come on, NDC for. Look at the kind of record they buy from the audit. 150% overall. At the MMDAs, over 180%. Worsening of violations. So, and then he was just talking about Article
71 of
71. President Muhammad Kaso Oba no more a year for. Scam government. And no be after almost scam. Because almost shed that to me scam pay to me say me noon the other time make a ibako. I call viral. I make us was scam yankupon. Mediampon. Mekae. And I repeated, sorry, demo chiro how be doing us or sign it LGBTQ law against ne and all of that.
Now I know what he's saying.
LGBTQ. You see, maybe just say I did not do swama yentimi hunia yenka. Ubetu when you ha na $208 million dollars worth of meth and in Australia. Okay, right at the beginning of the government. Now playing be free. Spain. Now badness see haniade and team for Jokai no mutata na sa omantin. And they even mention say machines no say officials be. And as we speak, entina na se mebo media chisa no. I am so disappointed. In fact, I believe that the media say a threat to our democracy. The media is number one.
Would you say that again?
Threat, the biggest threat to our democracy
is the media
going forward.
Why?
It's the media.
Why?
Because you see, look at the sense. Me try North America.
Sure.
Say BBC, SCR, chief. Just say everything has to stop. As we speak, the interior minister is saying the government officials have been implicated. And so as we speak, government officials be or at post. What yeah, at least yeah suspected say why BBC.
Implicated in what?
In a smuggle no. This is so serious. And the media is, kika with all due respect to the issues. But the media at the moment is captive.
The media is captive.
And the media.
I'm part of them. So
yes, but obviously every single person
the larger body
in there. I mean the media as a body. So Tiase, I know you, Prof. You try to do your best. But I'm talking and I mean it sincerely. But just say, how is this not a heightened issue? We have a government official. As we speak, at least there is a suspicion.
But Prince, you see, in this country,
this is so serious. And the person has not been suspended. There hasn't been any detail.
You blaming the media.
Yes.
I would not fault you and say, sir, you are not being real. You are being real. Reason is that we have media stations affiliated to NPP, and then we have media stations affiliated to NDC. What we normally hear that they say issue be ba na issue no equitia aye MPP. What you realize is that the NPP media will stand against aye fairness. What likewise the NDC. So it's for that reason why some now can we are doing.
Yes, but you see, Prof.
Yes.
The so-called MPP media and NDC media, there are few stations be so only one sided. The larger media is out there, whether they bent one way or the other. Overall, it's the media. So I don't want us to look at a few because I can count those few media now. On one side and on either side. I want to look at the broader issue. Say, I think any so for the past 2 weeks, I've been talking about media. Because, and this is not about MPP and DCS.
But have you gotten the opportunity to speak to the president of the Ghana Journalists Association?
I have not.
On this particular
Chief, issue. I don't even want to personalize.
No, he's our president.
Sure. But I'm saying, I want to look at it from an issue standpoint. $208 million worth of meth. If you Chaco, somebody was telling me, say Chaco cran to export Chaco, it will Krumuhano. Yes, processing yes, unbelievable. Now, and it's not even one of the topical issues almost anywhere. It's very concerning. The same time, also, I see $350 million. It be a fake. It be so fake.
I have.
And now gold. No, check here say fake and I fake for the gold board evidence for us.
I'm saying the lead suspect is on the run.
Ghana for hina this idea. Ghana for nyina. It has to be transparent. There also be a idea nipa no so a nene shisika no na nipa ni dwane. It just say movie cry has to be cracker. Cry obeka say and here's the government running around, proud, confident, say, about Papa. With this kind of thing? Sika $350 million. You baby, and my evidence as to how almost destroying for us to have confidence. Okay, the issue about President Kufuor says, be cook be dane. Shesenia media sifa boy, it was so when so dear ba. And this inti so ma capture omo so ma yomudenyo se cows be omo chef yes cows be akoshe fom enti no se no
yes
I want to say so for neka
there be so for me
obiate or so for I was one or evidence
na 32 no
obiate wo krom ha so oni ameche say no na ama media no say sebi as a test media no so say dey obi
ani I am part of them but I speak the truth.
What is happening? Because media, honestly, Prof, the media, MPP just say in 2024, all over the same media and after the government just say no one's on my government here no opinion to the point to say after the forfeit state. I say after the MPP minority no a week, and yeah MPP minority no a week. MPP caliber of MPP minority, you can look at almost every one of them. Quality, I mean, obiano perfect, but you can tell the caliber. But the media, at the moment, no more decided so mother.
Enough of the media issue.
So, and the government yes scam be almost scam nyankopom. I told you LGBTQ. Almost scam I semi free top and a buffer. Almost scam for
why almost scam nyankopom.
I President Mahama Manka.
Sir,
what's scam nyankopom? LGBTQ. I gave the evidence. And your first time make an intino a year evidence based. Okay, a diaspora nanu shed that diaspora and say nanya some kid to NDC for no money or more so mo be mo nyina be to abani bini o mo nyina ba be take positions bia okromu ane nyina for one night o mo drew Council of State na de na local ho so settings ufi ho no mo a no aba necessity automatic posting, teachers, automatic posting. Cocoa farmers, they almost send the bobo.
So you're only looking at the bad side of the government. You're only looking at the bad side.
Which good side?
They don't have any good
one
side.
One of the good side now, no more which was the topic of discussion. Friend is
clean up exercise now.
That be, I think no discussing prison reforms.
Prison reforms.
It's good.
Yeah.
Community
overall, service bill.
Overall, details. So they do send a clock cry now. Enye juma ne battery wu cry no at least once every day, twice a day biano. A correct twice. And I'm a boy. So I mean, once in a while to me near bia a year useful. Once in a while. But the numbers you are making. The numbers from all the way from LGBTQ Galamsey. And they almost spending 450 million cedis or so fighting Galamsey. And I Obia who near Kosoha. Cocoa farmers, teachers, nurses. Your friend is saying diaspora for you say almost about boom article 70 one for you
office holders
almost and also so just come the door so I'm be require referee who to any you can't. I don't know what omo de be call 2028 ni omo kwa catch for say ni omo kaso omo be no emu de we na omo ye.
All right, so Prince, I mean that's SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country today, but would want to touch on the
my brem kakra can't say
and one so na me here you na ko ka o baby na I have to preach this in and san wa ba be ka say hu ya o are you no say ye twanity no
I'll see
say NPP we need 2020. Me Crawford say me control say who tino ye said they here. I needed to chip that in.
All right, ABOTCHIE.
Yes.
Scandal here kind of was some say government official be a name money. One kind organize a press conference out the tuja.
I've read
a question might be
so you are asking a question.
Yes.
Answer the question yourself.
It is the current interior minister Muntaka Mubarak.
Sure.
One a bab on ten a two no two. Go pass and go the base yonka.
How so?
So government official says say the investigations are still ongoing. Now if it is truly established SAMPA not the said government official no ne ho bo mo a kana fo nyina ebede ebete siampa ekepese edin si a kwon ka say the said government official is connected to this particular government.
All right,
eba kokwe hu nsem ne drugs a we MPP sin Chenya enye ye o
you don't
let me give you the facts. Listen, your friend is saying MPP Abrana Womo office. They knew those within their government are not Womo daily in drugs, but in Ghana, woman should do that.
No, please. No,
I'm coming. Can I explain myself?
Okay.
When they were in government, for example, let me give you a typical example. When Erika Martin. Okay, 2005.
Okay.
US. Good. Okay, Eric Nate Yebua, and a furniture Mandola, 2024.
He has been exonerated.
I don't have that fact.
Yes.
But
okay, David, Enim. All these people, David Enim, for example, was a serious financier of the New Patriotic
David Enim, no, what did he do?
Let me give you, an update of that.
All right.
From Ghana to Europe.
So
at the time, the NPP, they were in government. Yes.
Yeah, bang.
Me say, somewhere around. I'm not too sure of the exact, dates. So what I say, me say, well, I've not followed the case, but it's on record. All these people are financiers of the what? Of the MPP. You see, MPP for Cecia the Aquayan one. One is so desperate, say, every single opportunity, they want to capitalize on that to try as much as possible to get a scandal. Abochi, yes, single scandal.
Nyabotre. Na anyaka na every western region, somewhere in the central region, omo arrest you, and then there were, substances suspected to be drugs or something.
Me follow it.
You see?
Me follow Sasem.
But what they are all kind of Papa no say your friend say David Enimi boy.
David Enim, near friend of LeBaron, say when you LeBaron. Yeah.
LeBaron.
Yeah, LeBaron. Yeah. MPP financier. Yeah, cocaine pa ni all the bad drugs are. Massa, we need to China and some business run warrior, no Bob was a canano, Edibre MPP, no more their campaign. One mobile office, such a woman a free will say 1 year you or pay. How? You see, you do all these things.
They are train. What are koso?
Yes. So what I say, so on ye the open. Did you make a nako say? It's on record. Say about Bemoon till dates. Many ain't remember one single scandal I hated this particular government.
Oh yeah, sure.
What you say? Not even one. So they are struggling every means possible to ensure say Bombenya scandals. Akufo-Addo first term administration, somewhere around 2017 getting to 2020. 2016 to 2024.
2016
to 2020. Scandals are what in the first term. Then yasem ketwa.
It is a
scandals. Met me abo so by 100 madiache ewa ha. A lot of scandals, but not even one. So you guys are trying every means possible to ensure Sebobe have a scandal with it. Yeah, but you're not getting any. And I'm more force and I'm more squeezing more, and I'm more kasa, and I'm more pusher for the markets, and more kasa in the door parliament, and then who are you gonna for him? Can you imagine? Or how can you say at my Ghana? It's why you didn't say afa Timamofo. Now, President John Dramani Mahama say, "Oh, the cosway, the chale, metimint na hosa. It was some twa na mitimi pesikabi na me make sure say yatimi I help some of these Ghanaians. Na MPP for Masoria ko organize a press conference say, enya ade a mobeti ase enne, enya ade a mobeti ase otena." Can you imagine?
I have tried very hard to
get what?
To get information on David Enimi alias Rebaron, as you are saying. Okay. But there's been a lot of recent Ghanaian coverage of David. I am trying. The name, the name David Enimi Lebaron may not yet be public. I'm checking. I'm not getting it. But send me your source, and let me verify the source. I will come to me. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Yeah.
Met me.
Just 2 minutes of it now. Into us.
You.
Already
list of the scandals. What's the list of the scandals? I ready.
No, but what I'm requesting that David Enimi about just.
I'll give you a source. I'll give you a source.
Yeah.
Minui nwanwa bebre say ono momo ka say MPP for flooding issue no yen negative. Previous flood I buy or at least some of the latest flooding by President Mahama politicized it poto. He
opposition.
Yes. Right when it happened. Flooding by MPP4, led by Dr. Baumia, has made clear saying constructive. We should not politicize it. It's a huge contrast. In terms of what say,
Ali, what's in there, mommy? But I need to verify.
Yeah,
verify. No problem.
So, I mean, politicize idea and so and politicize. Funny enough, 2024. In so no in 2024 no they are more than in so in 2025. 2025 was drier by 30 mm. Yes,
Debbie.
I've verified. But check.
No, I've verified. Prof. Because 2024 it was 85 milliliters of rain.
No. I'm talking about. I'm talking about overall rain.
Overall rain.
Yes, I've checked. I have the numbers. They had 11,115.51. We had 118.81.
Because it's here to a fee.
So what I say? So I'm not talking about 1 day issue. I'm talking about how President Mahama was saying, say, Nana do amamu enti nyankopon kra ebuafuyen nsuo kra nto. That's what he said. When you're political, I don't know. It's 77 time. They did all these things. At the end, NDC fuanye. Did Nana do attempt all the way from time of more opposition. Basically, Kevin Taylor does it on a regular basis. So, Intino, please. He talked about Eric Nate Yabua. I know him personally. He's my friend. A friend, Chairman Dollar.
Oh, where Madamfo?
Madamfo, no. I know him personally. You know, a chairman or Medina.
And I didn't see.
Almost, they had some staff issue. No, Ghana Airport. Until there was some, a friend is saying, incident. And he was indicted. Indictment, interdicted. Interdicted in a corporate, means you are suspect or an suspect. Yeah, they found him.
So he was exonerated.
He was clear. He's back working there.
Oh,
at least he was back working there. Yes. So you see, so this is the kind of thing I NDC for almost year where almost didn't they even believe in almost trauma to the point to say we are no maka on send your can or you would think say just say drugs. Look at I'm watching issue our 2005 incident. And there had been another MPP government 8 years. When to me and Bibia say una wo bre wo here wo hwehwe you use head na ye be channel. Oh, e the review. E the review e wo hanomo. Me hold mami ka say so what you say and they some liberal bia.
Me number.
Modern Ghana oil report.
But all the mami we who use liberal bi e the neighbor bet say na wo ye MPP chairman. So just to throw dust. Meanwhile, no so no. Mo government imagine say NDC4, send the NDC4 subaintie. And drugs plain here babenam haya obi ehuni asem kosi omo anye any investigation. And drugs $208 million Akudu Australia. Can we make NDC4 sign and come back?
Can we make progress?
Can you imagine and come back Prof? Before I make progress. Let's imagine Senka NDC4 in a war opposition or Hanuma. The only thing, and he's talking about scandal. What is the biggest scandal?
We are not talking about scandal.
Beyond Waka.
Debbie.
Or see, there is not a single scandal. Wait. And I'm telling him, say, $1.2 billion. Lusu. Your estimate as lost on the gold sale. You shut down investigations. What do you have to hide?
What's a scandal?
And in the American show, they say, Prof.
$1.2 billion loss.
$1.2 billion is the biggest. The American say
a scandal.
It's a scandal.
How does that amount?
Why are they saying yes scandal? Are they no more investigating? What are they hiding? You see, I'll give NDC one credit. Right now, no majority now. Omunyaye in part because before we began to aba and omsegu omuti. Sa majority no. Any media ya so omo captivate or more so my omo den yo. Enti no so much is happening. Yentimi enye den enda na di. Ema Ghana for huye. That's all that's going on. You yourself were asking him drugs bi aye omo ba ya ye kokochi ye ne ni na. Because at the moment, they have this capture of the country from the judiciary to the media, all the way down.
You can't say that someone captured the judiciary. The judiciary, no, they've not captured the judiciary. No, I don't see that. I don't see that.
Well, me, I see it very well. And I can tell you, Prof,
I don't see that.
And now, da ebe shasi epi Ghana for ebe chese.
Prince, Mami Nasi.
They are just hiding what is happening.
Mami Nasi. Now, Mami Nkai for say, yawo abuafo o maso asena de bi adada no. Ye trasia for God and country ye de brewo. Makacho say 21st clinic. Ya ka yare sciatica. Pom home modern ye pa. Yare sciatica. 21st clinic, a bon home modern ye pa. So when you be all yare say yadena. Catch and say, I did 21st clinic. A honor qua, obenya yarsa. The batches out tear me and ne a we. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. So, Kai says, sciatica yade. I did 21st clinic to and a bit asa amanako. Sciatica yade. Etimi so nine back kuma ma osre mu ya ya utia sukra na wo nan ya na age say obi ato wedro nya obi na ato wedro sa ya de na di anda so no your friend is sciatica 21st clinic enko na aye nhwehwemu ene wo hu yade ne farbai ene wo hu aduko a wo de ka yade na yade ne bayira a embebio pato hwehwe sciatica doctor kama our 21st clinic bia eben wo akra one more Tantra Hill runabout tema one more Roman asonda nechi wo akasoa one more new market obum kwan so kumase obo mo hwe overseas baby asompa fm wo na sunyane hwehwe mo bia any regional hospital first gate ni di hwe ni mo Tachiman baby na ankan GN Bank e wono e ho e na obehu omo enkransa womo ben children's park takrade womo efie kuma no banai taxi station wa takwa womo low cost e dan no wa baby asompa fm wona na pacho wo go so wo brekum wo boase wo enkro a atwa ho ahia ewo bunu ho no nyina ahafo a me pacho 21st clinic ewo bebia for 21st clinic ewo 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na maminka will say endpoint homeopathic clinic was it the end to chronic diseases yarida ho ya papa yare bi timi ba so a ube kwa sa ya de kono enya de be koda de pachote men kan de wia wo sa ti bia no mo a age Dr. Dubuatin endpoint homeopathic clinic na was specializing our stroke yade mu pa me pacho say we be ma we oba na utie mi a bia no after 3 months bia no just obomodin de wani kire endpoint homeopathic clinic na ukone ya ye nhwehwemu say stroke yade ebi ma wo so niema ebetimi ama wonya nyu stroke yade 21st endpoint homeopathic clinic ebechiro Dr. Dubuatin wa kwadre wo mu pa se woni mo bia eye stroke yade agena kampem asa nipa ntimi nsore nante wontimi nya hwe a wo de bomoding friend number we sesia 0244 867068 0244 867068 and now by 027423 4321 ofre endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Dubuatin a obebo modin abefie bebi anipa ko no woro no wa ba besa no yade anya stroke yade nko yade bi a chi obi a nipa na kampem ontime nsori number of free me sesi subio 0244 867068 027423 4321 yade no wo hunim de na onim eye eduko a ode beka yade na ebedwane unim oba opeso ofefru waya nso no efru no emma bema ojinso na ne jinso ma chemiedu prostate yade de bo kokko no bema bi wo de bo ani apa yira wahra na obrabom anasa wuntini ho aka endpoint homeopathic clinic ebedi wakagirem hwehwe ne chakwan e wa crab e was Painters Road Shell signboard a hold of who so we shall check when we come or chronom abohia na unu will be a recover from yade nipa ntimi nyare or here physiotherapy session or here massaging papa endpoint homeopathic clinic eba south yade no me pa cho endpoint there o ye dutwem odumfo bi dia ba say wo hwehwe a dine chamber and hall self-contained apartment e wo Tesano K-boats Asalam down abeka was on here agent asembia the but also to me kana was a dine bia a dime make wasabi chamber and hall self-contained apartment you will be bonding nothing number you must see 054 479 7447 054 479 7447 na mami kabio say endpoint homeopathic clinic as well as in the we na makamu somebody a child da na RSYD no Video Studios a studio a whole fee na ukosa studio ya me pa cho say studio yi omo professional creative director wo ho a obeboa so we yesi ni twani wo pese o twa music video me pa cho enkogina nsutire enkogina nsuo bia no me pa cho wo mo eye backdrops ni nyina wo ho location bia e wo RSYD Novigi Studios when you your wedding ubehia pictures ubehia eye video taking me ba to RSYD Novigi Studios so many more that form ni kotokom ya wa boy too upe creative design bia wo me ya ba me ba to me cha kwan wa Accra Malam Abase e wo First Kokro Street no so from 057 4715778 05747157778 another from 030 397 4822. If you really want to create something extraordinary, then it should be with RSYD Novigi Studios. Prince, Yaman Peninga directed, Sir Nyamia Dumwa, Ochina da, Ayadia, post cleanup, flood cleanup exercise, no. Yabayan Ochina, any fiada, any memeda. Na Ochina Maka say, mo bia in store. Mo bia in co-marketing kodija. Yengina ye kwasafujuma. Yes, ye kruno. Me who say the New Patriotic Party issue a letter to that effect say they are in support of what the government has said. Then I'll be careful.
Yes, my say party no. Even before party issue statement, no. Now my some media engagements, and I had supported it. You know, good issue, but overall, no, at least in principle, no, BBA, yeah, the right thing. We've always shown, say, yeah, no, opposition na, no, criticize, no. We won't repeat it. We will, much, but ye sir. And we've shown that. Intimate Prof, I've pretty much made it very clear, say, I'm in support of anything positive. The first time BB said it. I was saying a government long ago. I think Chief of Staff was trying to do some of it, but it was not at the scale of a national program like this. And say government say omobeme aye BB say ya for so anyhow election momuna near schedule dada for memeda. And we know abetum. And to explain it to all MPP force yes remo. We are the few people who are delegates and yamunina like a crane delegates no to aba we are na wa to anamona wakwako boa. In a way it's even good say some of these people will be out there already outside. Inti uwie na utu abaria na ubetimi akọ na wakoboa emse ne kwan so ano no inti ye de bibia ye positive no ye de hu bagimbi ye we differences so tia say we share aban priorities we don't share them, you know. Almost day so much money it just came out and then in ya say another $2 billion or matwegum to keep the artificial dollar. A Hong Kong expenditure, and those key priority differences na war in terms of how I was say you use your sikaya fi gold ya abo aban kakra. Any idea? We will share differences, but baby I know more agreeing so no. Yebeka. So I just say,
but if the funny be complaining,
I side with them. Say. This because government didn't shut down. It's not a holiday. It's not a holiday. Enti a kwine ben so na obeka se omo adwadefo no ma omo nya adwuma. So on say nema mu ayedin. Nipa bebre ento ade. Enti a whole day no so omo nya adwuma. E ho no ka government ni nhwe ni yie kakra. So because even public service or my holiday meboa
that's a public service or my holiday and you know yeah bisa say what was I wanna ache my drink akra
okay
sir me ko adwuma ochina na me ko ochina no me dey no my cleaning no wo me area any me important
Bacho a honor mentiase. Obeko say Jumano.
Debut. Say, we have to say me
Monday to Friday.
Me or Checheni.
Okay.
Ochina or Checheni Bekwe Juma.
Friday.
And now they are talking about national cleaning exercise.
Right.
And you know, me or Checheni no. Me nyadeng.
A hono and I make us a hono chima drink kakra. O say nye holiday. So enye holiday, no enye holiday. And non so traders no mo private business mo mi.
Me bacho target
and I yes ane.
Yeah, that's what
and you know I was so more clarify.
They'll have to come clean. Yes. I understand the local government minister is about say Obabe press conference be to bring clarification because me who say the warning be about things a warning shop owners and say Ochina all shops must be closed.
And I make us say all shops must be closed. Why say government for the also I don't get that. And I make a say
maybe Ali Ibrahim.
Yes. But before Bebemuno and I make us say maybe the enka dream muno me full say obianye off and obianye off. But a being caught na a bimra and all these things. You know, it sounds like I'm trying a recipe for confusion. But then I'm debating to say Abai should not make this into or way to say no na best solve the flooding issue with all due respect. There's so much Abai na was so
where
dispose out and the way
where the sanitation issue.
But your ebeboa. So what you say ebeboa. And even clearing some gutters and those things. I don't want to sound negative because I mean, I say negative. A minority anya press conference and say omo peso omo sikana abane ede ekoye ejumano omo mpese. That wasn't the conference. We have been constructive. They were saying, say, transparent. Because we've had recent no crowd that they said in to a fiancé. So if she's even in a fiancé, we don't know where she is. Omo hiding.
Oh, but
Omo hiding on no credit. No. Since Obai or MPP ni anka a handcuff gunensa. Selective justice. So I'm just saying
you're trying to say
Ofuriata has not been convicted of anything. But Prof, meba can say flooding conference no news conference no they were just saying buying emma transparency emremu yenhu senia sika no ombe spending no na emfa enkoso onye den emra ne ansan konya incident bia te say said them there. That was the main and they also mentioned lawyer for no so say kwayom faso since some people have said say no dear in common train now later no you're dealing with it. I understand the NTAB more kasa so what yes, but the main point say transparency about the expenditure and those things I don't think so nature say no you are an enemy of progress. I don't believe that. Inti minua me twist it ade no emeka say MPP for mpese bibi pabi ebeko so.
All right Ali, let me take a listen to you on this one.
Ochina na me adoma Friday
yeah
ebe sha 6 o'clock anopa ebobo be 1 no na say ya wie bibia
sana minister aka
yes sana tie
sana waka
sana etie from the briefings I have from the ministry say ebe sha 1 o'clock Ochina 6 o'clock Ochanopa. Now by 1 p.m. they are done. With the public institutions, institutional heads, they should lead the charge. Now workers now they follow.
I say me no me ye. Ayo chechenia. Ochina me kwe juma. Me dress kunta infan kusi juma na me fan kwe juma ifi juma na. Is that what they want to tell us?
Oh, but at least.
But you know the film na me train me basi say. About you good at to say.
Major Sabuchi.
So where there?
Atumia Sheye, Mijidi Samosomoye.
Yahoye pa. Yeah, yes, sir. I the local government ministry. One more yes, sir. Omo baba ye press conference be. Now press conference I want something saying. What must I say?
About me say central position me
oh, sir.
Me say ministry no Emma no 9 and I share trouble so I guess mammy and sana no swabble. You see a year no a woman ministry and say you go to champion for some better nominate and show for about the team come back. ABOTCHIE and Central Point Shell near the Aswati someone Yakibino and it's a year Ochina Jumedi Mampeni, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, there to say, or my money in our face, one city, a year, Yampotamo, and Dano, in so year, 2 years, a day, a year, 3, a year, the farm for Niema, and my bill portrait, or Muka, the bill show my Japadian. And no one to say, and Mampeni, a year, Jerusalem, many better to do a year, China, and another thing. And what they saw the impact and and function safety the important and I'm so proud na shebe de see ma what China me adoma enya dia ye be ko fidie mu ho it and say challenge in era urban for money baben action na shebe de ni say ni amampania kani nti wo be nya say na shebe de ni dia utimi ekọ eyo constituency na okokọ boa edo hu hye de dwumadi wi mu na yemboa ma eye yempotam yesi so tena be ya ochire di nfu yankoto enam so enanima mediri eye ama ko ntene kwako no na hye ekie no ye pon ye dwumadi aye di ye pon tempa ebo be ye donko empe mu kopo eye dumyeni no na non dumyeni na tepe yakon ewo eye ahye begefia tepe eno enso ka ho community ochire dwumadi a eba be kosono eno na eye local government minister Yira Ahmed Ibrahim any central for eba be di nkomo e dia fa ho
na ebi mu ka say what to say adwadifo ni bi complain one question be person be bisa minister na say adwadifo complain say one day off no eyade a ebe ha adwen enti anka be yanka omunye adwuma na kakra bi na omumebie omu shop sa question we person ube bisa the local government minister na en komono sa de tie no unya ntete bibia say ye keka bi bi ana minister no bi mudi nkomo say no baba ka unya ntete bibia sa
ABOTCHIE when we say ya okay esebi me no be ya de esebi so no mesu say ye wo me bi wo no ma e wo say ye hye na ye ma eye emran eye adwuma wo pa ye bia bi say eye in kind mantem si ye hye so ye to ye ya aha no say pa na ni say idi amanfo nya yi kase ebe nam so ema omamu ni nyina agin edi ba bi so enti bia bi say ni bia okọ kankamanto okọ aboboshi okọ abuso kan okọ kaneshi okọ kwamenkoma circle okọ odona stretch ni so menye sure sente ni so be ma ho kwan senya wu susu se muni nyina na omode kwa kodi omudwumadie no ebe agin menye sure se impenfo be ti afesa na mom ye hye bi te se ebia asantiment manase bia bi te se bia framantem anase bia there was some regions maybe on man no matter how it is enya bia insuhiri anase so ye to enyo musu transport na so fene mampenia kanenti no woni de bia wo chena bia benam so awuso no eye atwenchen say bekifa account eni tina wo so che na udi so even so pokwa ka se na ni no pra isa enye se be ye te se this particular time ye se anke betia anka mampeni hye na busumi bia no omfa eye emrama meto na se enhye emeto no betina hye aboa edi omudumedi awura ititiru edifa se ye se yampotem a eno so ya de bi no so e kire o madwen e dia fawo eno nti no we ni edi kan amampeni eto na mo bi sei enti no ye hye se wo china no se ne tebia ne ye besi e be kwa koba no eno ana betima aboa na se ye hu eye mu kumasibre nke bi etiti duana kono ena ABOTCHIE betimi etimu brani akanti ki bi etimu se eye no ko mampeni hye wo hye ye no eso abanfaso na se so amonfaso
anje je ku mame na ase na fa we ni di ekire di ebeto fom bia no ma ya sonte wai
Insurance Council.
Insurance Council. So, upon Chichiku, a reporter with SOMPA 106.5 FM, and artist, Meneno, a dinko. But Nanka, a shas, but now no Anka, Womashas, Nanka, Amania, the local government minister, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, Edibetujano, na Anka Yatibi. Ali.
Yantia Memensaka from the ministry, extra say, yeah, the morning na ena yebe issue for this exercise. It means say, a jumanebe koso, but at a point or maybe kino bia could be the store and also a kotwa the jumaso. So them they can by 6 o'clock anopa watching Friday day. Na edia shesheso by 1 p.m. not to say yedia baby ye. Said ye be yo bia betimi aiden akotwa na juma eso mi wogidie say minister no ebe kasa obe clarify that, but I think that this is the timeline you be use so for ochna ena Saturday. Now the other call far away nyina ebaye somewhere around June 3 2015 ena actuation kese pa etu Ghana for a one crime they pay 150 ena ewuye ananya asem ketwa. And so, am I hunu sampa? Said yes, ye nyoma ewo the capital no na emfa kwan paso. And until ye shisha hudu bibida na wasenka ye timi make sure say ye besia no fofi entwata na John Dramani Mahama efia kunyaso. Any day administration no eswa NPP4. Ti NPP4 no eso mu no shisha hudu a John Dramani Mahama edigu ekwemu a ni yesu se janka within the 8-year period no. The MPP administration ebediso no woman anye de aniso. May single out one specific example. For example, the Garrett project. Sekadudwa womo di maye aye injecti in this project. Well-bound support was about $350,000. $350 million. At the end of the day, no woman say woman use they use parts of the money for this exercise. That's a cow mo use you know. Yeah, we know the omotime ede ye because you
say Oka says cano who the omotime ye ma memory nyabotre. 34 million Ghana cedis of Garrett funds spent on training, workshops and meetings. Expenditure record shows 34 million Ghana cedis of Garrett's cano. Minimum say, ye de a year workshop, ye de a training, ye de a meetings.
Okay.
Debbie. I have the me spreadsheet no how. I have a spreadsheet here.
Mischief. Prof, I could see so the mischief.
Prof. Let me just wrap up. What I say? And Sekano, dear, one more a year so much the bay Jumano, one more fine day, and ye Juman, they misapply the fund. To the extent some you see some percentage.
Do you call that misapplication?
Oh, some percentage of it to go and deal with COVID. One use some percentage of the fund to go and deal with COVID, and then misapplication.
60.8 million.
Yes.
Dollars.
Yes.
Debbie, Debbie,
60.8 million dollars.
60.8. But some have quoted it as 65.
Okay.
We share spreadsheet and
I mean which spreadsheet?
Oh, maybe bachelor.
But was it Abochi maybe some question? Abochi maybe some question. Whether 65 or 60.8, million dollars. Was it right? At the end of the day,
Debbie, propaganda.
Propaganda.
Says Sikana, or share a COVID. They sat with the World Bank, and the World Bank agreed to it.
He knows.
Okay. And because of that, 65 million or 60.8 million at the core a year COVID, the World Bank advanced another 150 million.
Prof.
First, now you $200 million.
I'm on here $350 million. But you see, my problem was that. Sasikana womo say womo use for to deal with COVID no. Edian anti MPP for some parliamentary candidate or Babi about Bonte, but say COVID second do nyani. One more to chase candidates a color will. Wow. That is my bone of contention. About Ghana ha. Now Ghana ha some, you know, was it a parliamentary candidate? Was it a parliamentary candidate of the MPP? What but say Sikase and Wanyaye. And what church remu say when you say.
Now,
so what I say? Huh? Oh, I don't know. There's no one has some bonnet, but I know, sir, they make a wow in the America.
But, sir, you know, Uka me say, and who answer Ubeboni dear. Nature say, unim nipani ding. Say, dear, and who could answer Ubeboni ding. Maybe I told my man Boniding. What's a minute day? Who say, and who answer Ubeboni ding. And as a Siano, and who could answer Ubebodino, and Tibodino.
I didn't make a mabama what it
made us say.
Prince over 5 minutes. Me who for some time now. And honestly, he has to be preserve because after the Okana say no, it maybe as to say Okano. Why you tea granny bedu or the my cry? Yeah. So it is preserve head in the my. So Prof, $65 million no. At least I have it from a very authoritative source. Someone who had been a minister in that code 265. Maybe a spreadsheet be or maybe something is a little different. But whatever that amount, you know, I was also told by this same person, he said the money was actually restored. And you know, it was a temporary measure. Our money World Bank send a wow kind and money na class. A year emergency. And net what ha catch Ghana for you say just even questioning say yen say 350 million cedis motuno moon church mu yeni hu ba bia e kokeke no o ti high criticize it. But COVID,
yeah,
I shut it down borders for 1 year and nomini adeno. You didn't want emergency measures to be taken and you didn't want emergency funds no have been restored. Time aban way by, do you know say World Bank of Fortune almost sweep account no. Prof,
interview business here just 2-3 minutes and I'll get back to you. Yenya Ura Samuel Amoa ewa homano so or Kasama for second PR person of the GPRCU yenenu ninkomo. Samina to saying. Yeah, mete unka che. Says ya diesel boaba for my driver for Munya Sikana dear. Why you dee?
Well, yes, you go. You let me have more. I won't say there's a dropping car. Yes, I would have and not spending my hair and the Galino, and Safaki, okay, and that's more my gun.
Mammy Nasi. Ochina, a young man, Penyaka said. Yeah, Baba, yeah, a year clean up exercise. GPRT for Ochina Madara for me, Juana.
Prof, Mammy, and Child with you for. And you won't be your driver for Tina Ebay Juma. In the Encosina here, as I say, I can't say there should be some vehicular movement. Because you make enough buses, they are not being here, and they are called the agency. But you are paying for Apopodians to say areas are stations, you know, areas in Nano. I am going to say, they are all honors in Shua. Apopodiana also do one, especially who be announced with it. And I can say, national order, union gas, by almost blue. All over the country, all the cities, the union gas will be the other also announced and for Munji. Now, most of the stations in our pro. Now, on my share, driver for a war, a mate for a war, any other will be able to be the Haji. But I said, I mean, this who was skilled, not say, who do Aqua, the Bisu or so. No, so actually, I exercise in the air. That's the attack for the any a hard game to
now, in Shisha, where I walk on seminal. Money a year ministry, no local government minister, no. I don't know, pump for money or more a home come.
I'm kind of saying, we had a meeting, though not local government minister. Yani, kind of say, one of the transport minister, Joseph Bukari, this year, our transport minister, they did it, but we swear by the church. And the answer the against the clients, the pastor in the board because it's really very most of the stations are extra and also for houses and the every you know, as I'm saying, you know, yeah, they are able to make us a market via into the classic to in fact, how can you find the moment? Then we have managed this situation here, and the talk about say, baby, I am some 10% giants, you will be and so every who bet to be not clean at the hour.
Sorry, I say, but we want to wish you well. Now, you catch us, see, idea, I buy an idea, move buy about so papa, says this a boy, about for us, see, a queer mamma, and Jadama for Oma come one or two, almost one Casabu. May I say, Pastor Mam, and the Uma, quite mamma, no, the Prince, now, can
I mean, him say, I buy in a petro arco from a course runner, the Omsanya Omo, but a bar from there, I buy, you know, scam one term government. It send a mechano.
Prince, you have 2 minutes, and I'm in picture.
It is 65 million, no, it has been restored. Omondi atumu back. And not only that,
the 65 million has been restored.
It's been restored. That's what the minister told me. You can try and verify this. And Omu buy and Omu sweep 13.8 million from account. Omanka crunch World Bank. And they chill they had to hold back. So you know, it just shows who is transparent. Yeah, and it's straightforward, and it was for very good reasons. Gary da Oka or Tihanoma or MPP Abayanchi, Nanado Abayanchi. Nanado didn't have a major crisis like Mahavi. Never. Nanado disserted about 1,000 kilometers of silt. Nanado built about 50 kilometers of close to over 49 kilometers of drains were constructed by Nanado. Nanado Yansune Timi put it together a whole garage. Do you know what it takes to put together a World Bank project? Momo year mo the first one no 2013. The project is ongoing, about 40 different projects at different stages. Almost sheda a catching crofo say project no near a go into the actual construction no just about $11 million. That's what they are telling people. Who share World Bank project? Who be our World Bank project? Me, I've gone through one. You know, say it takes a lot of planning and paperwork. No money and the and sana project na say. Ya yeni nyina mamo mobile mabeda for 1.5 years. Muntimi nkyerɛ water mo form flood anti-flood committee kra no mo the PR person ene to ano. Bisa omo so omo kyerɛ ni omo ye for 1.5 years. Matra ha mani pa na ewawie afei na mo blame obi. No ababe ye ni obetimi aye etimi amamu project ede na mu dija in 2016 2017 ede blueprint mu ja blueprint bi te se garika ken ensi ne ebre enti please munyai propaganda no na monhwe so na munya adwuma no moda na ade no age nsem makwa make wrong moves akoyi your friend is saying Zoom Lion if you without a proper plan. So tia se bibia mo ye bia resetting na bibia tonso. Drugs flying everywhere. You also see say your friend is saying Sikai say yes season and
Prince, I just did a check. The 65 million, it has not been restored to the Garrick Fund. It has not been restored.
Maybe
it's not been restored.
No, very credible.
No, record show. It is not.
Maybe 2 days scramai. It say a wrong. I will get back to you.
Okay, yeah.
I trust the person very well.
You trust the person very well. But the records, the search that I've done, it's not been restored.
PROF,
I mean,
I will get back to you on that matter.
Oh, Debbie.
Just a second.
Send it in, mommy. Me bacho 0260-196064 0260-196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Me bacho dini baby akasa free.
Emmanuel ni mkatafi Dowenya.
Ima Dowenya, me bacho my minti o.
Prof, na the discussion very tough. Ghana problem now and say MPP NDC.
Sir.
Now man no ton.
MPP NDC also mo ko na hwan ba.
Na you party papa near the man. Cause
you party papa na di honorable Kennedy Japan si ano na di aba ho.
Na no ko na dedi. Me second issue ni friend say na me braka LeBron case.
Yeah.
I just want to address something.
Yeah, address it.
The UK government compensating abandoning the suitcase in Yemen referral.
Okay.
Because I know the case very well.
Okay, but take the number and let me speak to him off air on this particular one. Hello, good evening.
You about you mama konya or SOMPA from Sweden. My men tia SOMPA from a tia for any of your phone na nenka say MPP Saturday ye kotoya ba ye better say manya ajobele na yan kwa banyu bia o mo mbetumi abo doctor ba o me amana kwaji 2 me no 2028 efita amemo fun ye kofi na ye kwa nya so tu ma ni tremo ye ma mi o pe na constituency treasure ye pen Aishakwe montu abama no now if it's oba the woman is cast one so tunye otumi hwe su ye penti Aishakwe enya so tu mpo amuti SOMPA from montu abama na aboti sa de e kofi unum say ye be president mama na ban say omuma mu na ho say u be ka jo bi say o metna fie say the whole day mu omie next to anamu onko aduma Saturday and Friday Saturday aboti de e bi so bu on ma one day one call na kwa even in ma any it's so be catch obi say mo onko aduma on tena fie 2 days no aboti everything no say COVID by na na kufa ni nyansem no o ma aduane free o ma so for ta man kania dem na wodi wo na mo djuma boni amo akata maje mabetwa obi contract amata ensuira be for man wodi ho aso ti ebe to o man no so mo put antena mo ye na ma we nyina be je ka je president mama je mo djuma ko mo me paga na photo je mo na mama ntuo no e ira paga na
Bedase hello good evening yeah me va sawana me na ka say
mana bani fantastic
hey man now bana ti say
hello
yeah mama ntio manao ba
oh boy give ma papa
Bedase
what ode o producer Jerry wa try to buy a new job by you are now exposing yourself to somewhere. Oh yes, that is true. So they are going to end this for Africa. I'm going to come on,
and this is for some come on.
And now producer can go back fire with it. I have no fire in the wood renting to one side was down.
Manauba Bedase. That's your that David Manauba Manauba Manauba. What Kawase maybe would they be in a koi? And then the Bina or Romy, Coenim.
Okay,
Mr. Coenim, oh, sorry, Coenim.
Okay, and the Yara, or cousin, who is the guy, now for trading. Yeah, who buy now, the Euro, Mamma, at Lamoto, Subasa, 2015, nobody, I didn't see him. Or quite yes, 14, or yeah, I don't know. And our officer, another buy one year. I wouldn't say COVID, no, or the beer, or the beer, the pattern, that amount for them, for money. And even I have trained with our papa, they move gun home. Like a map with the empty government, and by one I'm training, Mufana, Mutremu for that. Papa will be at a Juma, Councillor Jumano, at the end of tour, what's the end job for Kaye? My pomono, the amount for one, and which you give as much as I'm up for my mana.
Manaba.
Yes.
Mami Nasi, why? And now fire me brutal. Hello, we was one of an kasi. Hey, Baba, I had to say. Meet you, pa.
Mama, buy 1 year, you can inflation about from.
That inflation about from inflation only a bedi. Inflation in the eddy. Maybe I tell you.
So my and
okay.
Dollar and not cry.
Abafom.
No, And you don't say if you step with me, can you not march once? If you are a cacata, into one house okay. Since I will teach you, for 4 times, obvious now by my village now by trainers rather. Then you cut it in trainers in Buddha. And you need not make a cacata. And I was over now to
NDC Nina MPP Nino. Prince. Yeah.
Passport I'm not supposed to I am much here by the post. I open the passport, birth certificate, or Ghana. You did that, which is I. And you mother, who are not here, before the woman show.
Mammy, hello, good evening. Yes, you're frozen. You're frozen. Abede, Mamitio. Mamitio. And the Kawasam Yanko. Because people be shy. Debbie, channel there. The time I saw 1 minute. Me sorry. Until the time in the chair. And this is serial callers, then I'm in the Yamo. And this is serial callers, then I'm in the Yamo. MPP force say MPP ni buy o ka che be say wa ba blasphemy say me come NDC wo so blasphemy say me come MPP na say me nyamo dai and the kawasam ne enko
sa amamo fona 8 years mo de buy no and am go compare mahama 1.5 years wa ba say amama tan na ma bola me pacho wo pa enko market and for ban a market is more a people for a fina alpha or don't anyway MPP.
Oh, yes, we are MPP near a fina NDC. Says a politics. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Yeah, me bato whiny.
Orobon Kantamanto Accra Ghana.
Midase, Orobon Koinim, yet me brenako.
So, Minja, my work is down on a copa. Many of Katako, you are there. The Nippon woman to my that then on my apostle. Do me your panino, Dr. Japan, pen, and something the president, Mamma, you the design, you can. Oh, you did, and I'm going to compare the money for Hopro. Oh, I would trade,
compare only a mahine.
Oh.
Oh, there be any Ukrainian. I know Ukrainian coin. Debbie coin.
I 2 days, and I'm on Banisi and Panya. Not then your preparation be a no poor. You could come on and your calculator, you're near ma. The 2 days, the one you know, you're going to add
Mammy Nasi, Mammy for last caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pacho 30 seconds for you, man. Why me sorry?
Prince new.
Yeah, Prince. Okay, say free.
Santa Maria.
Okay, Prince. Kawasam ni yanko why? What man?
Yenda mama na ba site. Omuti di tu di taso hotel. Yenye juma. Yen clean. Site na itina. What is a me head? Yenye cleaner. Yan kata enti maye. Akumtia it me head.
You.
But yes, before no. And before we said that, and committee ever, and so no more for so after if you check at the common call, it gets from and before no. Mombra, no matter yes, one.
Mammy Dasi. There be me time now. Okay, Cass.
Mamu back, and I'm and born. We are paso. Papa about why are the contra? No, you are not Akufado. I'm
yeah, why I didn't know about Abaswa. We are so happy birthday going out to you. Ebo Backman. Yeah, that's a brother from another mother. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Ebo Backman. More wins, more blessings. I know the party no or record. Party the day or record. Some knockings against some knockings. Uncle Ebu Backman, celebrate the day. Happy birthday. More blessings, more wins. I was had a remember this. Yeah, sorry. Oh, hot bite news. Prince, your call.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Debbie, 1 minute.
Prof,
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Okay.
And
you know, quickly, 65 million. I will get clarification. And
that's fine. That's fine.
And Yankofo is almost to 700 million. For
Eurobond,
just so Ghana for you know, say gold and quay jaya almotoin 2.6 billion.
But I say, I was for I had a brother. I ready to see. You're from a couple of, but you